Good morning, friends. Myself Ashish Agarwal. My son's name is Milin Agarwal,
My name is Mayank. I'm father of Siddhi Mayank.
I'm Parthsarthi's mother.
and today I want to express how deeply satisfying it has been for me to get my son enrolled with UniRely last year.
I'm very thankful to UniRely for their personalized approach. They have a fantastic network of professionals across universities.
With UniRely, I felt like my son was in safe hands. Their genuine approach gave me peace of mind I needed during such a crucial time in Parthsarthi's life.
And what truly stands out is the round the clock support and guidance of all the mentors and coaches for my son.
And these professionals help the student, in this case, my daughter.
Based on my experience, I wholeheartedly recommend UniRely to all the parents aspiring to send their kids abroad.
As a student guiding you, it becomes easy.
UniRely is a right choice for all the parents like me. Thank you.